Did you know kibble allows diseased animal material? It's also highly processed, high in starch and carbohydrates, so it can lead to diabetes in your dog. Plus, it's low moisture and there's an increased risk of bacteria. That's why I started adding this to my dog's kibble because I can't afford to feed her raw food, but I can afford this because it's only 28 cents a day. It helps with her immunity, mobility, digestion, and seasonal allergies. All of these ingredients not only help strengthen her immunity, but it detoxes her body and it helps promote wellness through her joints, her organs, and everything else. So if you want to try this and add it to your dog's diet, even if you feed them raw food, this stuff is amazing. Click this link right here in the video.